Most of us know Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia, as the city of skyscrapers and Petronas stars. But do you know within just 20 minutes drive from the city center, you can actually get lost in a forest? After an evening of Asian gastronomy and retail therapy, I decided to go for a sunrise trek in Bukit Kerinci. Bukit Kerinci is a reserve forest which is about 20 minutes drive from the city center. Entry to this reserve forest is free, and here you can get started with your nature therapy. The nature trails are narrow and uneven. You need to wear your hiking shoes for this. And remember to carry some mosquito repellent. There are spaces which are extremely narrow, and you literally crawl through these. The dense canopy, the chirping of the birds, and the freshness in the air. It's extremely rejuvenating. I did reach spots in this jungle where there was nobody, and I actually got lost here. I never could imagine there would be such an intense dose of nature in this global city of the Asia Pacific region. It's raw, it's rustic, and here I reach a point where the sun was peeping through the jungles. After immersing myself in the sights and the sounds here, I proceeded further. The map at this spot directed me the way out to the city. If you're visiting Malaysia, especially Kuala Lumpur, and need an experience of a jungle hike, do visit Bukit Kerinci. There are no wild animals here, as it's widely visited by the locals and the trail runners of the city. I reserve my commentary here and want you to listen to the whistles of the birds. I try to present raw, real, and less cinematic content the way it is. If you have liked this vlog, do subscribe this channel and share. Remember to like as well. See you in the next vlog. Till then, just keep roaming.